everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you're highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, we're making shawarma. Shawarma is so yummy that I don't want you to miss it. I'm going to show you how to make the wrap and also show you how to make the shawarma itself. So it's 2 in 1. So you don't want to miss this video. You want to watch it till the end. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to make the shawarma wrap. In this bowl, I'm adding 500 grams of self-rising flour, then add half a teaspoon of salt. After that, I add 50 grams of melted butter. Next, I mix with milk. But you can also mix with water, but milk adds a lot of flavor to the wrap. So with the milk, I add bit by bit, and the milk has to be in a room temperature. So with a spatula, I mix together to form a non-stick dough. You can also mix your dough with your hands. So after mixing until I form a non-stick dough, to knead the dough, I transfer the dough to a clean surface, then knead the dough until the dough is stretchy. It takes between 1 to 15 minutes. After kneading the dough for at least 15 minutes, your dough should be very stretchy. That's the texture and the consistency you should be going for. Next, oil a bowl and transfer the dough to the oiled bowl. Then cover the dough and allow to rest for at least 10 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. By this time, the dough should be easy for you to work with. Next, flour a clean surface. Then transfer the dough and cut into 8 or 10 pieces. Next, take one piece of the dough and roll it flat. When I mean flat, you have to roll it until it's flat. I'm going to show you what I mean by flat because you have to roll it flat. After rolling, this is what the dough looks like. You have to roll it flat and thin. So the next step is to fry. I have my pan in a medium heat. You don't want to fry this in a high heat. Next, I add a little bit of vegetable oil, then transfer the dough. And on each side, I'm going to heat it up for at least 4 minutes. 4 minutes on each side. Then flip over and heat up the other side for 4 minutes. So this is what it looks like after 4 minutes. It's very easy to make the wrap. But if you don't want to go through this step, you can also go to the shop and buy the already made. But I love the homemade because the homemade tastes better. So I made the rest off camera to save time, and this is the finished product. This is how to make shawarma wrap. You can also use this wrap to make other wrap. Very easy to make. Just your flour, sugar and butter and your milk or water. Easy going. And you can store this for at least a week, but you have to wrap it so that it's not going to dry up. Let's move to the next step to make the filling for the shawarma. Here I have chicken fillet, but you can use any meat of your choice, such as beef or pork. So next step is to add seasoning. I'm adding chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon, curry powder, half a teaspoon, garlic powder, half a teaspoon, ginger powder, half a teaspoon, then a tablespoon of SUYA spice. So this suya spice is going to add a lot of seasoning to this. Then I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. Then add 4 seasoning peppercorn, about half a teaspoon. After that, I mix together until it's well combined. So with this chicken fillet, I divide into 2. I'm going to show you how to marinate it 2 ways. 2 ways on how you can marinate your chicken, or if you're using beef. So next, I'm adding a tablespoon of olive oil. Then mix together until it's well combined. After mixing this until it's well combined, I went ahead and add a tablespoon of onion powder for that flavor. After mixing until it's well combined, next cover with a clean film and allow to marinate for at least 1 hour. Moving on to method 2. So here I have my chicken. I'm adding chicken seasoning half a teaspoon, curry powder half a teaspoon, onion powder 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika for that flavor. Then add half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. After that, I add a tablespoon of olive oil. Then mix together until it's well combined. So you can see the 2 of them is going to give you 2 different flavors. Trust me, it tastes so delicious. The reason why I'm showing you the 2 method is that the other chicken has kuli, which is suya spice, and suya spice is made of peanuts. So if you have a child that has allergy for peanut, please do not use suya spice. Next step is to make the sauce for the shawarma. In that bowl, I have 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then add teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of white vinegar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of sesame seed, then 2 garlic cloves. Then add half a teaspoon of salt. After that, I add 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil. Next, I transfer to a blender and blend until it is smooth. You need to blend it until it's a smooth paste. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave your comments. I'll really appreciate it. So this is the finished product, the sauce, the shawarma sauce. So here I have all the vegetables that I prep off camera: tomato, cucumber, cabbage, carrot, red onion, and white onion. So next step is to fry our marinated chicken. So I have my pan in a medium heat. To that, I'm adding a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and you can see my pan has been divided into 2. So I'm frying one in the other side and frying the other one in the other side, and I fry until it turns golden brown. When it turns golden brown on each side, I flip over and continue frying. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've not given this video a thumbs up, and also let me know if you're going to try this recipe because it tastes so yummy, guys. So yummy. After frying the chicken until it turns golden brown on each side, so this is what it looks like. Look at this yumminess. So next step is to transfer to a plate. Transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool down a bit before you can now cut it for the shawarma. So, but I don't like fresh onion. So what I did with my onion is that I fried my onion. But if you like your onion fresh, skip this part. But I don't like the aftertaste of fresh onion. So I just fried the onion for at least 1 to 3 minutes. That's it. So this is the chicken. So next step is to assemble everything together, which is my favorite part. Add your chicken. After adding your chicken, add all your vegetables. I'm telling you guys, this tastes delicious. Add your carrots. Add any vegetable. You know what I love about shawarma? You can make up your own vegetable. You don't have to use the same vegetable that I use. Any vegetable of your choice, use it and just add it up. As soon as you add everything that you want to add, just wrap it up. And that's it. Voila. You can also toast the shawarma, but I don't like to toast mine because already I just made the wrap the same day. So, but if your wrap is from the shop, so now I'm adding the sauce. Oh, the sauce is what takes this to another level. The sauce, oh my god, the homemade sauce, it tastes delicious. The garlic in it just wakes it up. So wrap it up. What I'm saying is that if you're using this shop wrap, you need to toast your shawarma. But because I made my own wrap myself, I don't need to toast it. So cut it to your desired shape and voila, your shawarma is ready. Your homemade delicious shawarma is ready. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Leave your comment. Share with your friends and family. Also follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. If you repeat this recipe, let me know on YouTube or on Instagram. I love you guys, and I will see you in another yummy recipe. It's your girl Joy and I sign out. Bye bye.